I think it's time to make an English video. So, because the last, I don't know, few months I didn't manage to do it, and I think now it's the right time to show you the current process and the current state of the project. So basically, the engine bay, it's ready. Also, the engine is there, the transmission is there. Yeah, of course, it's not fully complete. Still, I have like, here is the torque box. The name is torque box. On the other side as well, it's not done. Yeah, as you can see here, the torque box, on purpose, of course. But everything else, it's, as you can see, it's complete. Here I'm waiting this whole structure because I will be not able to fix this one, the old one. It's too rusty and with a lot of huge gaps and rusty places, and it's with a lot of curves and stuff like that, so which it will be really difficult to fix. So basically that's why I ordered the whole dashboard. If you wish, this is keeping the dashboard, and also it's keeping like the wish, the mechanism which is cleaning the window. I don't know, not exactly how was exactly the name. As you can see here, I managed to put the shifter which I had, but because I didn't like it, I am waiting from US a second hand specifically for this transmission. The transmission is FMX transmission. It's automatic transmission, which is like with 3 gears. By the way, I already ordered also a second hand another transmission. It was really cheap, and I decided, because I still have like 1 or 2 stuff from the transmission which were missing, and that's why I decided to order as well a second one. It was like 120 pounds. With the shipment in UK it was like 180, and from UK to Bulgaria, of course, a friend of mine, it's doing the shipment. So basically I hope he will not charge me, but nevertheless I have to, you know, if I have to put also this shipment, it's like 200 and something pounds, which for such a transmission I think it's okay. Yes, it's for refurbished, it's not working transmission, but basically it's, as I know, it's complete. But still I'm waiting the transmission just to have it, because I'm pretty sure if I need something it will be totally difficult to find for this transmission. What else? I started working on the rear side of the car, because there's a lot of rust as well. I managed and ordered some other stuff, but waiting this week to come, and I will make another video about that. So back to the transmission, just to finish. Here, as you can see, on purpose I did this hole because this one was missing. I had it from a plate, metal plate, but I think maybe it's not the right one, and that's why maybe it will need adjustment, or I will take it from the other transmission, the whole part. That's the idea. Anyway, this is something that I'm working to fix on the other side as well. Meanwhile, as I said, I start working here. Today I will try to work there, and also under the car, around the trunk and the fuel tank, because there it's here already it's done new metal plates were installed, but honestly they're too ugly and not really good done. So basically today I try to remove them. I try to remove the whole part with tires, and yeah, at some point I have to start working here as well, here and on the fenders. There's some rust and some holes which has to be fixed. But yeah, basically that's the current process. It's really slow, really slow, but nevertheless I'm really happy that I managed to start the engine, which was really a challenge for me with my knowledge. I also start and almost figured out the whole electrical part, which again was like totally new for me. It's good that it has not so much wires, which is great. That's why I managed maybe to understand which wire for where it is, like for example the temperature sensor or the oil pressure and stuff like that. But yeah, basically this is the current process. Here I start working on some templates and to be able to fix this rust here, then here, and yeah, I will jump to this part of the car. And yeah, this is basically the status of the process. It needs a lot of work still, but little by little I'm doing it. It's not the perfect work, which to be proud of, but yeah, I'm trying my best as a first time. Also, yeah, waiting some parts, which I think this week, not this one, the next one, because today it's Saturday, so the upcoming week I will be able to do a video of the parts which I ordered. And yeah, I'm pretty excited, to be honest, about the parts and the stuff which I ordered. I hope they will fit without any problems. And yeah, basically that's all. And guys, if you have any suggestions or I don't know, recommends or something like that, please just let me know. It will be really helpful.